What if I told you that a single machine, costing just a few $100s, could turn plain cakes, cookies, and chocolates into stunning, personalized masterpieces and make you serious money doing it? No culinary degree, no fancy kitchen, no years of experience. Bakeries across the US are already pulling in between $325,000 and $450,000 a year in annual revenue. And the smartest ones are now using technology to work smarter, faster, and more profitably. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing business idea that almost nobody in your neighborhood is doing yet. Stick with me till the end, because this could genuinely change your financial future. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down real, actionable business ideas that you can start right now in the USA. Today, we're talking about the edible ink food printer business. And trust me, once you see the numbers behind the cake and food decoration industry, you're gonna wanna take notes. So let's get straight into it. First, let's talk about why this business idea makes total sense right now. The baking industry in the United States generates over $31 billion in revenue every single year. The wedding cake industry alone pulls in over $2 billion annually. North America holds a massive 28.8% share of the entire global cake market, making the US one of the hottest markets on the planet for this industry. And here's the kicker. The US cake market alone is projected to reach $13.2 billion by 2030. That is a massive, growing, money-making market, and the edible ink printer puts you right in the middle of it.
So what exactly is this machine? An edible ink food printer, also called an inkjet food printer, is a specially designed printer that uses 100% food-safe edible ink to print full-color photos, logos, text, and custom designs directly onto food. Yes, you can literally print anything. A birthday photo on a cake, a company logo on a chocolate, a cartoon character on a cookie, a custom design on a macaron. The machine connects to your computer or phone. You upload the image, and within minutes, that design is printed directly onto your food. Clean, sharp, professional. And the best part, it is incredibly easy to operate. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need cake decorating skills. If you can click print on your computer, you can run this machine. This machine can be used by hotels and resorts for branded desserts and custom event cakes, restaurants and cafes for unique, Instagram-worthy menu items, bakeries and food shops to offer personalized cakes and cookies, retail businesses, custom edible gifts and products, advertising and marketing companies, branded edible merchandise, food and beverage factories for product branding and packaging designs on edibles, printing shops, adding a brand new revenue stream, and even home-based entrepreneurs selling custom cakes and treats from home. Whether you're starting from scratch or adding this to an existing business, there is a customer waiting for you. Here's the list of foods you can work with: cakes, cookies, biscuits, chocolates, macarons, bread, candy, sweets, and even wafer paper for decorating almost any dessert. The surface just needs to be flat and food safe, and this printer handles the rest. Let me break down why this is such a smart business to start. Number one, super easy to operate. No technical training needed. The printer works just like a regular office printer. Upload an image, hit print, done. Even someone with zero food business experience can master this in a day. Number two, massive time savings. Traditional cake decorating can take hours. Number three, low startup cost, high profit margin. The machine itself is affordable. The edible ink and paper sheets are inexpensive. But the finished product, a personalized cake, a custom cookie box, a branded chocolate, commands a premium price. Your margins are excellent. Number four,
huge customer demand. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, graduations, baby showers, corporate events, holidays. People celebrate all year long, and they're willing to pay extra for something personal and unique. Custom is king right now. Number 5, stand out from every competitor. Most local bakeries still do everything by hand. The moment you offer photo-printed cakes and cookies, you instantly have an edge that's hard to compete with. Number 6, work from home or scale big. You can start this from your own kitchen and sell online, or you can supply hotels, restaurants, and businesses around you. The choice is yours.
Let's talk real numbers. A custom printed cake can sell for $50 to $200 plus, depending on the design and size. A box of custom printed cookies? Easily $30 to $80 per order. Printed chocolates for corporate events? Businesses will pay $100 to $500 per order. Small bakeries across the US are already generating $325,000 to $450,000 in annual revenue. And adding an edible printer to your setup can significantly boost those numbers by letting you offer premium, high-demand custom products. Even running this part-time from home, taking weekend orders for birthdays and events, you could realistically pull in minimum $2,000 to $5,000 per month.
Here's your quick action plan. Step 1. Purchase a quality edible ink food printer. Look for one designed specifically for food use, with FDA-approved edible inks. Step 2. Start with a small product menu, custom cakes, printed cookies, and chocolates. Step 3. Set up a simple Instagram or Facebook page and post photos of your printed designs. Visual content sells this product instantly. Step 4. Reach out to local hotels, restaurants, bakeries, and event planners. Offer a free sample. Let the product speak for itself. Step 5. Start taking orders and grow from there.
The food business in America is booming, and this machine gives you a unique, low-cost entry point into one of the most profitable corners of that market. You don't need to be a chef. You don't need a huge budget. You just need the right idea at the right time. And this is it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more business ideas every week, and drop a comment below. Tell me, would you start this business? I'll see you in the next one. Let's get that money.